Everybody, how y'all doing? I'm doing well. I have got a haul plus a little project. Um, let's see. Now this is, I kind of separate my videos on this channel between, depending on what it's about. So if it's crafting or whatever, I'll be down here. If it's more of a beauty, lifestyle kind of thing, it'll be upstairs in by my makeup stuff and all that. Anyway, I've been doing some photography, photos and props and stuff like that over on my other channel. And I'm going to share a few of those over here. So I wanted to do like an Easter spring photo thing with some of my girly babies. And I need to get some, the feathers from those wings I just made. For prop wise, I need to get some like garlands, like ivies and stuff like that. So I found this one at Family Dollar. It's a springy like garland. I thought it would be pretty if you wrapped it around a basket with the baby in it or whatever. And you can do these if you've got a little baby grandchild or infant or whatever. You can do your own photography at home. These cameras on these phones and stuff now are beautiful. And you can do your own little area to make photos. And this would be a good one. This garland is 6 foot and it was $5. You could probably get garland cheaper somewhere else. I don't know, but this is my local store, so this is what I got. And it has some cute flowers on it, and you can add more. Like I got a box of different kind of flowers over there that I could add to it or whatever. So I grabbed that. I would usually put this around my mirror up in my dining room. And if you've seen my fall videos and my Christmas season videos, you'll see that in the dining room. You'll see that mirror. I put different florals around it. Right now it has Valentine's Day and it has roses, a garland of roses around it. So I may get another one of these and put it up there for spring so it looks springy upstairs. Because it's still chilly here in Utah. So I got that. And then for the car organizational stuff, actually, when I was down here doing a video, I needed to charge my iPad. And my cord that I have down here wasn't working. It was working the day before. I don't know what happened with it. I don't know. So I had to get a new cord. So I got a new cord. And this is a long cord. This is a 6 foot. And this was like $3, $5, something like that at my local Family Dollar. And I may end up picking up another one for the car so I can leave it in the car. It'll be in the car. So, but I have one in my little pouch for my purse and stuff. I have one in there, but I don't want to have to keep moving it, you know, so I don't know. I got one of those. And then this is so cute. This was $1. It's called Rare Gem Pen. Look at this. Look at how pretty this is. Way pretty. And I was going to do this in my other haul video for like clothes and stuff, but I thought I'd do it down here. But it was only $1. Isn't that cute? Little pink. Awesome. It's $1. Has a little jewel. And I got that. And then the last thing I ordered some stuff off of Amazon that's not going to be here for another week for the car. I have a little gray POS, if you know what POS means. It's a little teeny zoomy car. Takes $20, $24 to fill it. And I use that instead of my Hummer. Well, it's all gray and it's peeling on the outside. I mean, it's not perfect, but it gets me from point A to point B. And I'm like, why don't I, since I've got to be in this car most of the time, I got to make it pretty. So I wanted to do, to change it. I got to clean it. It's filthy dirty. And I haven't touched it. I'm not going to touch it until I do that video. But I had ordered a pink steering wheel cover with the little rhinestones on it. So pretty. The interior is like a gray, dark gray. And in Utah here, it's dry and it's windy and muddy. I was going to get pink seat covers. I was going to get pink floor mats, and I decided I don't think so because it'll get destroyed right off. And I'm not going to spend that. But I did find a pair of black floor mats with some pink on it. So I may end up getting those at some point. But for seat covers, I found a set that has, they're like black or gray, but it has a little pink in them. So I may end up getting those, but the majority of it is the darker color. But I thought I would do accessories. So I got the steering wheel cover. I got the coasters, the little coasters, because my coasters are horrible. Every time we go anywhere, Ariel spills a drink or whatever, it's a pain in the neck. So I did get the coasters. Excuse me. And I got, I think there's 4 in a pack, and I've got 2 front coasters and 1 in the back, so I'll have an extra one. And what else did I get? Oh, I was gonna order the pink charger, but my Family Dollar had this square, it's like a square one, and that's what that one, I think it's round maybe. Well, I got this one, and I grabbed some of these. So we're gonna do a little project, and we'll see how it comes out. And if you like it, you can do your own or whatever. And this charges 2 things at once. And I looked up the little, because it's a Ford Focus. And it has, oh, that's pretty. It's clear. It's like, see, that's clear. That's kind of cool. The little emblem in there, it is $8, $10, something like that by the time you pay for shipping and stuff. I'm like, I don't think so. So you can cut, this is just a sheet of pink. It's a sheet of pink, and you can cut these. I did it up in my office. If you watch my girly office tour or something like that, I did this with my my computer screen and everything. Well, since then my screen died, so I can do it again. But these come in little strips, and you can cut them whatever you want. So this, I'm going to measure it to see, and it looks like it's going to be 3. So I'm going to cut this strip. 1, 2, 3. We'll cut this down, and it's sticky, so we're gonna peel it back. The rows are stuck together, but the rows themselves aren't stuck to each other. You know what I'm saying? This row is stuck, this row is stuck, and this row is stuck. And I don't know if I can do them at the same time and have it even. Oh, maybe I can. Okay, so let's put it on. It's sticking to my fingers. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, and we will take it around. And we'll have to cut a couple of extras. Let's see. We'll take that one off, wherever it went, and we're going to need a row of 3 by 2. I think. Like that. because I'm missing some right there. So this one I'm probably not going to be able to do separate. So we will do it as one. Two. There's the last one. There you go. There's your own rhinestone little switch. And it cost me, well, it ended up being the same price, but I did my own. Actually, this was like $3, $5, I don't remember. And this packet was only $1, and I didn't even use the whole thing. So, I'm sure the ones that are online are smaller rhinestones. You know, they're way smaller. I'm just pushing it up a little bit. And just stick them on there. There, I have my own little pink. That's cute. I don't know if the one that I got for the car, because I got stuff for each car. I don't know if it's in here. If it's in the other one. Might be in the other one. Let's see. It might even be upstairs. Well, I was going to check to see if there's more in here. Well, it must be upstairs in the bag that I made. Anyway, the other one I got just, it's not square like that. It's just a regular round little doohickey. You could probably put them around here too, but I don't, you're pulling that off and on all the time. But that's cute. So there's our little project. All done. Way cute. And you can make your own. And these come in different colors. They've got clear, you know, white, the pink, the yellow, red, green. I can't remember the other color. But I grabbed the two pink ones that they had. And I think you can get a huge sheet of this at Dollar Tree. If I'm not mistaken, it's like a longer sheet. So, here we go. I guess that's about it. Until the next one, we'll talk to y'all again soon. Bye now.